What's up guys, Adrian here, welcome to Motorista Adventures. Today is the day to give you another dash camera review, and this is brought to you by AKASO. They sent us the C200 dash camera, and after doing a lot of testing, I'll give you my feedback on how this camera performs. So the C200 dash camera, and if you look at it, it kind of resembles my Canon point and shoot. And this dash camera is made from a plastic material pero mukha namang sturdy siya. The buttons on the side are tactile and easy to press. We have a 3-inch screen at the back also for monitoring. This dash cam features a 170-degree wide-angle field of view, so sigurado talaga na makukuha yung mga sides ng harap ng kotse. So let me mention to you the features of this dash cam. So we have the basics covered here, such as loop recording, G sensor, so automatic magre-record yung dash camera once the sensor is triggered by a sudden motion. We also have a parking monitor included, so kahit nakapark ka, sigurado na nakabantay si dashcam sa'yo. So another noteworthy feature is the motion detection, na nagre-record if may nakikitang movement si dash camera. So it's time now to show you guys the footage that I was able to get. So the first would be daytime video recording performance. Now the AKASO C200 performed very well during the daytime videos. It came out better than I expected. So you can clearly see the plate numbers of other cars, and also the footage is very decent for the price. On the other hand, audio recording quality is also very good for the price of this camera. Now, nighttime video footage is not the dashcam strong suit. Kung makikita nyo guys, sobrang dilim ng mga sides and di masyadong kita yung part na nakailaw. So granted, this car that I'm using was very heavily tinted and it was raining that night. So guys, kayo na bahala mag-judge sa nighttime recording quality ng dashcam. So how much is the AKASO C200? Now, if you look at the online sellers like Lazada, the AKASO C200 sells for about 1,600 more or less. So, it depends on the seller. So, hanap kayo guys ng seller kung saan kayo makakamura pero maganda naman yung rating. So, kaya na bahala mag-balance sa ganon. So, at this price point, the AKASO C200 dash camera is actually worth the price. No? Mura lang siya for what it offers, which is a very good dash camera for the price. So what do you think of this AKASO dash camera? Leave a comment down below, and if you like this video guys, please hit the thumbs up, click subscribe, hit that bell icon so that you will be notified on any future videos in this channel. So once again, my name is Adrian, the Motorista Adventures, and I'll see you guys on the next video.